This limited production 1969 Ford Mustang Cobra Jet is one of 62 Ford 28 Cobra Jet notchbacks produced in 1969 and underwent a full nut and bolt restoration to factory specifications. It is also one of only 62 Mustangs produced with a Q code 428 Cobra Jet V8 engine for the model year, with correct engine markings, paired with a factory C6 Cruise-O-Matic transmission. The Mustang is adorned with options that include power steering, a ram air shaker hood, and factory air conditioning. This is one of only 127 built with competition suspension along with disc brakes, Magnum 500 wheels, and wide oval tires. The exterior is finished in its factory Royal Maroon with a black vinyl roof. The interior also features optional black Corinthian bucket seats, console, and AM radio. The sale of this Mustang Cobra Jet includes a Deluxe Marti Report and owner warranty card. This Cobra Jet is a highly desired car for collectors or car enthusiasts. For more information, contact LRA today at 215-781-3790 or send us an email to sales@lrasales.com. Contact LRA to get this legendary piece of blue oval power in your hands today.